Hello everyone, and welcome back. You're with Kisang on Extra Mile. And before anything else, I'd like to thank all of my first 70 plus subscribers and of course counting. Thank you so much guys for noticing my efforts and recognizing my abilities. Also, thank you so much to everyone who watched, shared, and liked the first video. And of course, thank you as well to those who privately sent me messages and conversed with me. Thank you so much. Your attention inspired me a lot and made me more determined to go for more videos here. So I say thank you. Alright, may pa-confetti tayo of course. Thank you so much guys. And once again, please join me in this video where we will experience new and great things together, explore with our creative minds, and extend help by providing remedies to our home and family concerns. Alright, so this is going to be our first episode for our vlog series for easy cooking. Alright, mga madali ang pagluluto which are highly recommended to all who are newbies in cooking, and of course for everybody to check on easy cooking processes. And today we will feature takoyaki, which is a very known street food in Japan and eventually became one of the most in-demand street foods here in our country as well. Now, I personally like this street food because I would say it's less skill because it's made of vegetables, but it will for sure be healthy and clean if we are able to prepare it ourselves. In this episode, we will be doing a cooking hack for takoyaki because we are not going to be using a takoyaki maker or cooker. Instead, we will be using molds for the ice cube maker. So that sounds interesting, right? Personally, I'm so a fan of street foods, but I am currently situated a little far from where the street foods are. That is why I take time to innovate and find ways on how to have these foods that I'd like to eat in our storage. Para anytime that I'd like to eat them, I can just have them. I tried to search for the ingredients online, and this is a common list of ingredients for takoyaki. But for easy cooking, we will simplify it to these ingredients. Alright, so there you go. That will just be the ingredients that we will need for this recipe today. And let's get started.
Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Kick. Hey.
There you go. Fresh from the freezer, they already solidified. Ayan, tigas na sila. So, let's unmold. To make sure it's hot, and yeah, so these are what we will try to cook right now. The rest, lagay natin sila sa freezer kasi madali itong matunaw. So yeah. Adjust natin yung apoy from time to time para maiwasan yung pagkasunog ng takoyaki natin. So like the usual na pagpiprito, malalaman mo kung you can already flip it because it will no longer stick to the bottom of the pan, and it will allow you to turn on the other side. Okay, that is it for today. I hope everybody enjoyed and learned once again. Please watch out on our next videos dahil marami pa tayong pagsasamahan, pagsasaluhan at pag-iisipan. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, Kisang an Extra Mile. Just click on that subscribe button and click na rin yung notification bell so that you'll get notified every time that we have new uploads for our vlogs. Please like and share this video. Leave a comment below. Lalo na po yung mga pinasalamatan natin kanina. Please leave a welcome note below as a comment, or at least just leave me any comment that you would like to say. At least malalaman ko na nakarating sa inyo ang aking thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you once again for today. See you around.